Sprinting through time, the fascinating tale of the cheetah's life. When viewed through the lens of the enormous tapestry that is the animal kingdom, the Acinonyx jubatus, more popularly referred to as the cheetah, emerges as a spectacular embodiment of speed, agility, and evolutionary adaptation. With its unrivaled speed and unusual spotted coat, this legendary feline species, which can be seen roaming the savannas and grasslands of Africa as well as certain regions of Iran, has captivated the interest of both researchers and enthusiasts alike. A riveting narrative of biological marvels, behavioral intricacies, and conservation concerns is revealed when one begins a scientific examination of the cheetah. Each of these aspects is carefully intertwined into the fabric of the cheetah's existence. A remarkable mosaic of anatomical and physiological adaptations that have been carefully tuned for the cheetah's specialized existence as the fastest land animal on Earth is revealed when one investigates the biological domain of the cheetah. Its amazing speed can be attributed to its streamlined body architecture, which is characterized by elongated limbs, a flexible spine, and a shortened collarbone. All of these characteristics help to minimizing aerodynamic drag and maximizing stride length during high-speed pursuits. Additionally, the cheetah's huge nasal passages, as well as its enlarged heart and lungs, make it possible for it to efficiently take in oxygen, which is essential for maintaining bursts of rapid sprinting over extremely short distances. Through the use of evolutionary research, one can gain an understanding of the cheetah's genetic composition as well as the phylogenetic relationships that exist within the Felidae family. It has been determined through molecular analysis that cheetah populations have a relatively low genetic diversity. This can be linked to historical population bottlenecks as well as genetic drift. The amazing adaptation of cheetahs to a wide array of habitats, which includes grasslands, savannas, scrub forests, and desert plains, is a reflection of their capacity to flourish in a few different ecological niches. This is despite the fact that cheetahs share a genetically similar set of characteristics. A wonderful story of survival unfolds throughout the life cycle of the cheetah, beginning with its birth and continuing until its maturity and eventual demise. The males are often larger and more robust than the females, which is an obvious example of sexual dimorphism. The reproductive process occurs on a seasonal basis, and it frequently coincides with times when there is an abundance of prey and good environmental conditions. Cheetahs engage in courtship rituals that include vocalizations, scent marking, and physical displays. Dominant males compete with one another for access to females that are amenable to having their scents marked. Following the completion of the mating process, the female will go through a gestation phase that lasts roughly 90 to 98 days, ending in the delivery of a litter of cub kittens. The delicate infants are provided with a safe haven in the form of maternal dens, which give shelter from potential dangers such as predators and poor weather conditions during the first few weeks of their lives. Mother cheetahs are known to exhibit exceptional caring characteristics, such as nursing their offspring and teaching them critical abilities such as hunting strategies and how to interact with other people. The time of rapid development that cheetah babies go through is characterized by lively interactions with their siblings and exploration of their environment. This stage of development occurs as the cubs grow. They are able to hone their physical coordination, agility, and predatory instincts through play behaviors, which are crucial for survival in the wild. Play behaviors act as beneficial training exercises. When juvenile cheetahs are under the watchful guidance of their mother, they progressively learn to hunt small prey. At first, they learn to hunt by observing and imitating their mother's behavior, and subsequently, they learn to hunt together with their family. Group. As young adults leave their birth territories in pursuit of new territories and potential mates, the transition to independence is a crucial phase in the life cycle of cheetahs. This is because it represents the beginning of the cheetah's journey toward independence. Different individuals and populations have different dispersal distances, which are controlled by a variety of factors including the quality of the environment, the availability of prey, and the competition from other conspecifics. This time of year is laden with danger because cheetahs that are dispersing must travel unfamiliar environments and fight with the possibility of being threatened by larger predators as well as disturbances caused by humans. Adult cheetahs reach their prime reproductive years after they have established a territory. During this time, they may engage in courtship rituals and mating behaviors in order to ensure the continuation of their lineage. Typically, female cheetahs are the only ones that are responsible for raising their cubs. They rely on stealth and camouflage to shield their young from any potential dangers. There are a number of elements that determine reproductive success, including the availability of prey, the quality of the territory, and genetic fitness. Competition and conflict frequently play a role in determining the outcome. The twilight years of a cheetah's life cycle are characterized by a decline in the animal's physical capabilities and an increase in its susceptibility to dangers, such as the destruction of its habitat, conflicts between humans and other animals, and poaching. There is a possibility that older people will have difficulty maintaining their dominance within the hierarchy, which may result in younger competitors taking their place. In spite of these obstacles, cheetahs serve as the flagship species for conservation efforts. They are used to garner support for projects that try to safeguard their diminishing populations and preserve the ecosystems in which they are still found. Not only are cheetahs significant from a biological and ecological standpoint, but they also have a significant cultural impact on human communities across the globe. Cheetahs are revered as symbols of speed, grace, and prowess. They play a key role in mythology, folklore, and art, and they have inspired admiration and awe among people of all ages and generations. The iconic position of these animals has been the driving force behind conservation movements and advocacy campaigns, which have helped to mobilize efforts to protect their future and ensure that they will continue to exist in the wild. In summary, the cheetah serves as a living example of the marvels that evolution has to offer and the complex web of life that is responsible for maintaining the diversity of species on our planet. We are working to solve the mysteries surrounding the existence of the cheetah by conducting scientific research and taking conservation measures. Our goal is to ensure that the cheetah has a place in the rich tapestry of wildlife diversity. The cheetah captivates our imagination and calls us to conserve its heritage for future generations. Its astounding adaptations, complex behaviors, and conservation problems all contribute to the cheetah's ability to captivate our mind. Join us in honoring the timeless legacy of cheetahs and the critical role they play in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Together, let us forge a path toward a future where cheetahs and humans coexist in harmony, safeguarding their habitats and enriching each other's lives along the way. Please subscribe, like, and share this message. Take action today to support conservation efforts aimed at protecting cheetahs and preserving their natural habitats in your community. Together, we can make a meaningful difference for cheetahs and the environment.